In this video, we'll demonstrate a workaround that allows you to switch the Ram 1500's 12-volt port from always on to accessory power or vice versa. It's a cool feature, but not many people know about it. So let's do it. 2014 to 2019 Ram 1500. In the 2014 to 2019 Ram 1500, you need to relocate a fuse in the engine bay to make outlet power from constant to accessory power. So follow me along. Step 1. To ensure your safety, turn off your vehicle before starting any electrical work. Step 2. Next, go to the engine compartment and find the fuse block. Just open the lid off to expose the fuse. Step 3. After that, locate the yellow 20-amp fuse and move the fuse in spot number F90 or F91 to get the power you want. So if you put the fuse in bottom, you'll get ignition power only, but if put the other way, it's hot all the time. 2019 to 2023 Ram 1500. For the 2019 Ram 1500 and above, the method is the same, but the location of the fuse in the cabin. So let's get it going. Step 1. Before diving in, make sure your vehicle is turned off. Step 2. The next step is to find the fuse block on the driver's side panel. To access the fuse block, you must open the 7mm bolt under the steering wheel. Step 3. After that, find the yellow 20-amp fuse in the spot number F54. You can choose to get the power you want in this fuse spot. So if you move that 20-amp fuse to the left slot, that will keep it always on, and if you move to the right, you'll get the ignition power only. So that pretty much wraps it up. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.